Hey everyone, here in Brooklyn with a fine young couple, and gentleman just finished up a Plexi install. This uh, gentleman actually had a problem with his super. What was going on with the super?
Last year, I had installed the air conditioners myself with the brackets that the New York City called for.
Mm.
He had his own brackets that magically he was the only one that carried and sold for $50 each.
His own brackets. Interesting.
I called hardware stores, air conditioning companies. Nobody had heard of those brackets before.
Magical brackets. So be wary of the unscrupulous super and the magical brackets. How was our installation?
Amazing.
Good.
Yeah.
Cool, man. Thanks so much.